What is this box, John? Do you know what this box is?
The kids' little thing.
Kids Cooking Club from Pampered Chef, right?
Yep.
I'm kind of busy right now. Can you wait? I gave it to you this morning.
You gave me the scarf.
Well, where's the rest of it?
I kind of.
Alright, John, let's put the scissors away and let's see what's in here.
I kind of left the scarf down for him.
Okay, well then I can't help you right now. Steven, do you want to come see what's in this box? Carmen, you want to read what's on the recipes?
I don't know if I can.
Just try. Look at the pictures. See what the pictures say.
Okay. Oh.
Hold on, John. Let's wait and see what we're making first. Steven, you want to see? You see what's in the box?
No. Ooh. I'm going to go and make it.
What is it?
I think it's French toast.
Fluffy pancake.
As a cake?
Does that sound yummy?
Yeah. Let's make it.
What else comes with it? Egg separator. Very cool, Steven. What else is there? What other recipes?
Cinnamon rolls.
Ooh, you guys like cinnamon rolls. What's that one? Cheesy bacon pasta. Alright guys, what's the seasoning? Can we take a guess at the seasoning?
Let me read it.
It's a cinnamon that comes in it.
Ooh, yeah.
Do you guys like the Kids Cooking Club?
Yeah, can we make it? Can we make what?
That's a little pin that goes on an apron. We can't, I don't know, Mommy, we're going to do burgers for dinner, but.
Can you take a video of me?
I am doing a video.
Me, Mama!
Alright guys, what do we think of our Kids Cooking Club? John, stop.
Nice. Okay. I want to see.
What? No, it's on my phone. It's not on the camera.
It's okay.
What do you mean it's okay? You don't love it?
I love it. Yeah. I love Kids Cooking Club.
Why do you like the Kids Cooking Club?
Because we can make things with our moms and dads.
Yeah, what's your favorite part of working with Mom and Dad in the kitchen?
That I can hug them and they don't get to bake.
Stop. Alright, thanks guys.
No!